Hello everyone, this is Kevin. I believe the Apple CarPlay function now is so popular, and most of customers are requiring that Apple CarPlay function. So today this video theme is just show how to use our Apple CarPlay function on our Makander M6 Pro Plus Android speaker.
Our M6 Pro Plus is already comes with various CarPlay function. First, turn on the Bluetooth of the mobile phone. Turn on M6 Pro Plus Bluetooth. Search cell phone Bluetooth. Connect mobile phone Bluetooth. Bluetooth connection is successful. Go back to the main interface, open CarLink, and it will automatically connect. You can use the application and functions on the phone on the M6 Pro Plus.
Following Makander.com to learn more about the latest use of our car Android speakers. Have all you need. Thanks.